Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the power saving mode in this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option battery. So here you can see the option power saving mode. Now this is disabled in this device. If you want to enable this one, turn on this option. When you turn on this option, you can see the light mode is changed to automatically changed to dark mode. If you tap on the option power saving, so here you can see you can do more customization for the battery power saving mode. So here you can see what the power saving mode means. Background network usage, singing and location tracking will be limited and the super HDR won't be available. For the display you can customize for the power saving mode. You can turn off always on display, then decrease the brightness by 10%, set motion smoothness to standard, like that. Okay, so here the turn on dark mode is enabled. That's why when I turn on the power saving mode, it will automatically change to the dark mode. If I disable this one, you can see the light mode is enabled. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the power saving mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.